going to be tracking some rain for the next couple of days, even heading into part of the weekend. So we're going to watch that. We need the rain. You know this. It's all associated with this big storm system that will develop out to the west of us. You can see that through parts of Arkansas and north of Arkansas with a front that will eventually push into North Georgia. Now, until then, we're going to see dry conditions. So for today, it's all because of that big area of high pressure off the Carolina coast, acting as a blocking mechanism, really like a brick wall, blocking those showers and thunder showers from moving in here. But late Wednesday into Thursday, we are going to track that increased chance for rain, even a chance for some localized flooding and some stronger wind gusts. There's not a big tornado threat, but we could see a couple of stronger wind gusts lead to some issues. We're going to watch for that. In fact, there is a severe risk where you're seeing the green shading. That is a 1 out of 5 for severe storms, mainly including North Georgia and the Atlanta metro. Now, where I'm standing, that's Alabama, where you're seeing the yellow, and that yellow is a 2 out of 5 on the severe scale, and that does include far, far western sides of Georgia. Certainly not a lot of us included, but we could see some of those stronger wind gusts. The timing, Wednesday evening, Wednesday into the overnight, and then early Thursday. So Thursday morning, tracking that chance for a few stronger storms. Here are the temperatures out the door right now, a little milder than we saw this time yesterday. Instead of the 30s in the mountains, we're in the 40s, close to 50 degrees. You may want a light jacket for a little while. Right now, close to 60 in Atlanta at 59 degrees. It's 53 in Carrollton, 54 in Rome, and Athens at 56. We are going to warm just a couple of degrees above our average. The average for Atlanta, the upper 70s. We're going to the low 80s. A high today of 81 in Atlanta. Athens going to 82 degrees and 80 for Rome today, with a good mix of sun and clouds. In fact, mostly sunny skies through the day today. But we do track those rain chances on the increase late tomorrow as we take you through that with Next Weather Futurecast. Watch this and you'll see the green indicating that light rain first coming in through the afternoon in our northwestern zones. This is Wednesday afternoon, and then through Thursday morning, tracking the chance for a few stronger storms. In fact, around midnight, Wednesday night into Thursday, you see that deeper red right where I'm standing. That's going to be on top of a large part of the Atlanta metro. So we're going to watch for that, and then we clear it out and we cool down behind the front. So 81 today, 83 Wednesday, and then Thursday, a high of 75 down to 72 on Friday, with temperatures back up close to 80 for Saturday and Mother's Day Sunday. Then rain chances do return as we start